Hello students, welcome to history class 8th, that is our social science class. So students, in last video I have given you some important events of Indian history when India's rule went under the British East India Company and then British Crown. Now we will read 10th chapter is also removed from your syllabus. Now this is 11th chapter, the first war of independence. As all of you know, many independence war was fought, means movement were organized by Mahatma Gandhi, and many revolutionaries fought battles against the British Company or British rule. But the major event which took place in Indian history, which shook the British base, that was the first war of independence, that is the revolt of 1857. It was an landmark, means the turning point in the history of India's struggle for freedom. It started on 10th May 1857 with the mutiny of soldiers in Meerut cantonment. So you must understand what is mutiny. Mutiny means revolt by soldiers. Mutiny, actually the mutiny meaning is the revolt by soldiers. Meerut cantonment was the first place where it was started. Meerut, where military cantonment means military lying area in Meerut. Here the first event started on 10th May 1857. From the Meerut cantonment, which is near Delhi, after crossing Yamuna. So all of you know Yamuna river. The soldiers on 10th May, they started revolt against British government and moved towards Delhi. March means moved towards Delhi, and they reached on 11th May 1857 Delhi. A band of sepoys was a mute witness to band of sepoys who crossed over Yamuna and entered the Red Fort. Means from Meerut, the band of soldiers, means a group of soldiers which was doing mutiny, means mute witness to a band of sepoys who crossed Yamuna river and then entered Delhi, where the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah was living. In actual, Bahadur Shah did not have any superpower to suppress British, but the sepoys wanted to proclaim that Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah is taking the responsibility of revolt. Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah, when he was surrounded by the sepoys means soldiers, in Red Fort in Delhi, he was living in Red Fort without any authority. He was living on the pension of British. He was proclaimed the Shahanshah-e-Hind. The soldiers proclaimed means announced him the Shahanshah-e-Hind, means the ruler of India. सो मतलब वो बहादुर शाह जफर के नाम पर ये रिवोल्ट चलाना चाहते थे. द सिपोई कैप्चर्ड द दिल्ली of Englishmen, means they captured city of Delhi, killed many Englishmen and ransacked many public offices. Ransacked means destroyed. Many public offices were destroyed. It means they started shaking the roots of British government because Delhi was the central point of India and they occupied Delhi. Though the revolt was started by Indian soldiers in service of East India Company, This revolt was started by Indian soldiers from Meerut cantonment. Who were these soldiers? These soldiers were working under East India Company, British East India Company. But the movement was started by Indian soldiers, but it spread different part of country in different sections, like peasant, artisans, soldiers, educated Indian, and many rulers joined hands to fight heroically against foreign rule. Means everyone was exploited by the British rule, and when cantonment, Meerut cantonment, where the soldiers start revolt, different section of society also united and started fighting against British rule, because all were exploited by the foreign rule. Hindus and Muslims also came together to oppose the foreign domination. The Hindus and Muslims at that time unite to fight against this foreign rule or the British rule. The event was also called upsurging, revolt of 1857, Sepoys mutiny by the British, but the Indian historian call it the first war of independence, as it was the first time that different section of Indian society united and fought as one nation to throw off the shackles. Shackles means the handcuffs of foreign domination. Means that was the first time when all Indian united to fight against the British rule. It was also known as the name of upsurge, uprising, revolt of 1857, Sepoy mutiny, and above all the first war of independence. This battle was started because as soon as the British came to India, they started exploiting Indian, and they started using unfair means to loot Indian wealth. After the British rule, when British rule was started, India started losing its wealth, as you have seen in 1757, as we have discussed in last video, when the last kingdom, Sikh kingdom, was under British. Now they started expanding their control over different parts of India, and they started sending the Indian wealth back to England. This angered the Indians. Finally, after 100 years, in 1857, a number of Indians revolted against the exploitation. So student, it is said that after the independence, it is said that after 100 years, an event took place which was a major event. British replaced the rule of Indian rulers with their power in 1757. Then in 1857, British East India Company lost its power in India, and the rule went under the British Crown. And in 1947, British Crown's rule was ended in India, and we became free. So these were the events which took place in India. This is the introduction of chapter 11, the first war of India, independence, 1857. So student, next part we will do in next video.